Guys, is it gold?
To find real treasure, the main important thing we need is a metal detector, which is quite expensive. But that cannot stop me to find some real treasure. So let's build a metal detector first and then we will go for treasure hunting. After doing a lot of research, I found there are 3 types of metal detectors we can make: bit frequency oscillation, very low frequency, and pulse induction. Among these 3 types, BFO is very simple to make. So I started making BFO first. The open source circuit which I was building was so simple that I made it within half an hour. But the main question is it working? Well, yes and no both. It worked only when the metal is extremely close, so it's not suitable to find buried metals. And after that, I tried few more open source BFO circuits with coils of different diameters, but the results were more or less the same. So BFO didn't work for me. My next try was VLF, which is also known as induction balance. But open source induction balance circuits are not easily available. All are patented. I tried to figure out one so that I designed my own, but wasted a huge time in it.
Again 6 months. Do you even remember you have a YouTube channel? Leave all this. Circuit? Let's make this.
This time we are going to use pulse induction method. And first we tried few functions in simulator. And when it worked, I made the circuit in Veroboard. Then I did few modifications and finally it worked. I tested the circuit with different pieces of metal and it detects almost all. Still there are few problems. First, we can't reject unwanted signals due to the false triggering, and second, we can't see anything visually. That's why I decided to make it smart by adding microcontroller and Bluetooth module to see the data on my smartphone. So I designed the final circuit using Altium Designer, where I modified the previous working circuit and added Arduino and AC05 on it. Altium is the industry standard software where you can design any kind of circuits and PCBs. Even you can modify this PCB according to your need. If you download Altium from my referral link, you will get a straight 30% discount. After completing the PCB layout, I went to PCBway.com and uploaded the Gerber file and placed the order. Then I had few days of time, so I went into relax mode. Then I realized I had to design the 3D parts as well. So without wasting any more time, I started designing it. And when it is done, I started the printing. If you don't have 3D printer, you can get it done from PCBway. Within a few days, I got my PCB. Like my every order, also this time the PCB quality is excellent. That's why I always prefer PCBway. Now I have the PCBs, so I arranged all the components, placed them accordingly, and started soldering. When it is done, I assembled the 3D printed base and holder and started winding the coil till 80 turns. To secure the coil wires, I used super glue and added a 3D printed cover on it. After that, I took a PVC pipe and marked it at 27 inch and then cut it using a handsaw. But PVC pipe doesn't look that good, so I spray painted it.
Guys, the paint job is done and it really looks awesome. I didn't think the paint will come out that good. Now let's connect it, but before that, let's first complete the wiring.
Then I printed an enclosure and attached it to the PVC pipe. I took the circuit and then connected the coil to it. To power up the circuit, I connected 3 lithium-ion batteries in series and added BMS with it for safety reasons and also to charge the battery. I wrapped the whole thing using heat insulation tape and put it inside the pipe. Then I completed rest of the wiring. And finally, I attached a mobile holder and rubber grip for better hold. And after adding the cap, our making is completed.
Guys, finally our making is done. So let's go to the outside and test it.
After connecting the metal detector with our treasure hunter app, I calibrated the device. And after calibration, I took it near a bike and it worked. Then I started searching some buried metals. Treasure in city is like finding nails, bottle caps, rusted coins, etc.
So let's go to some historical place and try to find some real treasure. Guys, this is our first destination. This place was used by British indigo planter, and after the famous indigo revolt, this place and this house got abandoned for nearly 200 years. Let's try to find something here.
After searching for many hours, I couldn't be able to find anything interesting. So I continued my search in different locations.
Exactly here. Maybe it's a, oh, it's a coin. Wow, finally got something. It's actually a plastic cap. But still something is there. So what I actually understand is finding treasure is actually very painful job. Let's go to the home and see what we actually found. So these are all the items I found. I found these items from my local areas and I found these items from the historical places I visited. But are those really treasure? Technically, no. But a big yes for me, because I have given a lot of effort to find these things. So these are more than treasure for me. And I will continue hunting treasures. And if I find anything, I will post that on my Instagram. Still not followed? Then please follow me on Instagram. I will give regular update of my upcoming projects. So that's it for now. And I will see you on my next one. Until then, bye-bye.